Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to put a pillow in a pillowcase. This will be an easy tutorial for bed pillows and also for couch pillows. And the process is slightly different for both, so please pay attention. What I have here is a simple bed pillow, and I'm going to show you how to put this in a pillowcase. Now there's going to be a tag or some sort of piece on the edge of the pillow. You want to pay attention to where that is. And I'm going to lower the camera to show you exactly what I mean. That's a little bit of a better angle for this. You're also going to have a pillowcase like this. Now your pillowcase will likely have an extra little flap. It's a little flap that goes over on the edge, okay? So what you want to do is take the bed pillow and get the tag side. Put the tag side into the pillowcase first. And a pillow is going to have one orientation. I can't put it in this way. It doesn't make sense. So you got to make sure the lines on your pillowcase, the seams on your pillowcase that you can see right over here, the seam line is lined up with this side, okay? Or this side, okay? But you want to make sure they're lined up. So I'm taking the pillow and the tag side I'm putting in first, just like this. Okay, then what I like to do is I get the pillow against my chest and I just give the pillowcase a little wiggle, jiggle like that, and the pillow drops down into it. Now, a lot of people will leave it like this, but most pillowcases, like I said, are going to have this extra flap. So if you look at the pillowcase like this, it looks normal, but then there's an extra little flap right here. So what I like to do is you take the flap and you want to put the flap over the pillow. So this flap is going over the pillow like that, okay? Just like that. You want to essentially tuck the pillow into the flap, and then you take this side, which is the non-flap side, you bring it over like that, okay? What you have here is a nice pillowcase. Look at how smooth that is. There's no ripples that are going to bother me when I'm trying to sleep. It's very, very smooth. That's how you do it with a bed pillow. Next up on the list is a couch pillow. Now, a couch pillow, it's probably going to look something like this. They come in different shapes and sizes, but it's probably going to be something like this. Okay, it's going to be filled with something, and then it's going to have this lining. And you're going to have your couch pillow case like this. Now, for couch pillows, almost all the time, they're going to have an opening, and they're going to have a zipper. So you can see right here, this is the zipper for the couch pillow case. It's right over here, okay? So you want to make sure that that zipper is opened up. You want to open up your couch pillowcase like that. Now, if your couch pillow has a tag on it, you want to do the same thing. Even though it has a zipper, you want that tag in there first. This couch pillow does not have any tags on it, so it doesn't really matter. But you want to get that couch pillow into the pillowcase like this, and you want to make sure that it's in the right orientation. So I can't twist it like this. It only goes in properly in one direction. So once again, against my chest, and instead of flapping and wiggling it in, what I like to do is I like to just sort of use my fingers to sort of wrap it in like that, okay? So I'm just continually getting it nicely in there, all right? You can get your hand completely in there like that and just really tuck it in there. Now, couch pillows and couch pillowcases are generally a bit tighter of a fit, so you're really going to want to make sure that it's in there nicely. So now I look in there and I make sure that everything is nicely where it should be. I'm going to straighten it out like this. Okay, give it a little bit of a squish to make sure that it's nice and smooth. Then when you're done, you're gonna want to take the zipper and zip it up. Now be careful because these zippers are usually pretty small and they tend to get caught in the material really easily. So what you want to do is just go nice and slowly, zip it up nice and slowly, pushing that pillow down every time you move the zipper like that. If you try to go too fast, you're gonna get it caught and it's much more work to remove it. So as you can see, I'm just holding it together like that, zipping a little bit, and then moving my hand down, just like that. Continue doing that till you get to the end. I know it takes a bit of extra time, but it's completely worth it because then you do it pain-free. You're not going to have to be, you're not going to have a disaster where you're trying to pull the cloth out from the zipper because it got caught. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.